Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can pay back Robinhood Margin. So what you're going to do is just open your Robinhood, and then from here, just go ahead and tap on the buying power. So once you tap on that one, just go ahead and tap on deposit funds at the bottom. And so from here, you just have to select the from section. So go ahead and tap on that one and choose whatever account that you want to transfer money from. So it depends on you. So once you have added, you have to also do the same thing to the to section. So from here, you just have to select whatever account that you're going to send the money. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and choose the frequencies. So it depends on you. You can do the weekly, twice a month, monthly, quarterly, or just once. So I'm just going to choose on just once right there. And once you're done with that, go ahead and type in the amount of money that you want to transfer. So just tap on transfer at the bottom to confirm. And that's pretty much it. That's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!